I'm with the pump house, and today we're going to show you our new Hummer unit for your H3. This is your existing unit, completely rusted out at the top. You also have a metal line that would thread into here for your fuel pressure line, and it is usually rusted out. So today our new product is, yep fellas, you're going to get a plastic unit so you don't have to worry about the rusting out. Plus you're going to get a new line that replaces that rusted out fuel line. So you'll get enough of that along with the right connections to connect back plastic. It also comes, of course, with a new tank seal, and you'll get a new wiring harness with it also. Give us a call. We can expedite it out to you where you can get it 1 to 2 days. This is a new product, so we don't have many of them. So hopefully if you call, we got one in stock. If not, we're building